وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق.
Dear Allah, my heart is aching, it's full of pain. I heard them talk bad about my Prophet again. They insult him and hate him, try to degrade him. But why, O Lord, why? Perhaps if they had seen him, had known him, they would have shown him respect and maybe even love. For he was high above all of humanity, clearing broken hearts, soothing troubled minds, so gentle a soul, tender and kind. No evil words would ever part from his lips, nor wickedness issue from his heart. Don't they know the tears he shed, how much he did cry? For me, for you, for all of humanity, that we be saved from fire, that we enter paradise for eternity. And yet people hate him, and I don't know why. O Allah, let them know, help us to show people his reality, until they believe, until they have seen that he ought to be honored, revered, and loved with all their might, as he was truly Rahmatul lil Alameen.
محمد نبي